For the last several years, the baseline for artificial intelligence was strictly passive. You typed a highly specific instruction into an interface and had to wait for the machine to respond. That dynamic has changed. Today, 50% of the internal software code powering Google's projects is written entirely by artificial intelligence. AI has evolved from a reactive tool into a proactive worker. These systems are being designed as autonomous agents, software that doesn't just respond to a prompt, but identifies and executes the steps required to reach a goal independently. OpenAI's GPT-5.5 is a primary example. It can plan, self-correct, and execute complex engineering tasks that typically take a human developer 20 hours to complete. This has enabled a shift toward vibe coding. Users no longer need to write strict syntax. They describe their intention or the vibe of the logic, and the AI builds the necessary architecture. The shift from digital assistants to autonomous digital employees is influencing corporate strategy, international relations, and global hardware design. The capability of these autonomous systems has turned AI development from an engineering challenge into a scramble for market survival. Google is now preparing a potential $40 billion investment in Anthropic, the creators of the Claude AI model. Google already owns Gemini, but Claude is the current leader in the specific market for AI-driven coding. Microsoft is following a similar path. The new Copilot agent mode allows the software to actively modify Word documents and Excel spreadsheets without direct user supervision. Tech giants are now funding their most direct competitors to ensure they don't miss the autonomous wave. The race for autonomous intelligence has expanded into the realm of national security. In Beijing, the release of DeepSeek v4 provided China with an open-source model capable of processing a 1 million token context window. However, American developers report that Chinese entities have used millions of automated requests to analyze and replicate the architectures of models like Claude and Gemini. This process, known as distillation, allows a competitor to harvest the reasoning capabilities of an expensive AI model to build a lower-cost replica. The United States government is moving to classify AI model distillation as an industrial-scale espionage campaign. In the context of autonomous intelligence, an underlying algorithm functions as a contested sovereign asset. Powering these agents is pushing traditional hardware toward its limits. In current computers, moving data between separate memory and processing nodes consumes massive amounts of energy. Researchers at the University of Cambridge have developed a neuromorphic microchip that addresses this bottleneck. It uses a component called a memristor to combine memory and processing in one place, mimicking a biological synapse. By using ultra-thin films of hafnium oxide and strontium, the chip operates with stable performance while using 70% less energy than conventional systems. The demands of artificial autonomy are forcing a shift in hardware research toward systems designed in the physical image of the human brain. While autonomous AI is designed to perform human tasks, the question remains, who reaps the economic benefits? Nobel laureate Daron Acemoglu warns that instead of democratizing labor, this technology may increase the gap between capital and the workforce. Managing autonomous agents still requires a high baseline of education and abstract analysis, which heavily favors those who are already at the top of the economic scale. In the US and UK, over 60% of wealthy professionals use AI daily, compared to just 16% of lower-income workers. This gap is occurring alongside rising unemployment among young professionals who now compete directly with tireless digital workers. What began as a shift in software is rippling through chip design, international law, and the economic divide between capital and labor.
Thank you for watching. For more professional AI insights, remember to like this video and subscribe to AI Corecast.